Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to copy your spreadsheet tab using a few different methods. Let's get started. One easy way to copy your spreadsheet tab is to right-click on the tab you're on and select Move or Copy. A dialog box will open up, allowing you to choose where you'd like to place the copy. I'll move it to the very end. Select Create a Copy and then click OK. As a result, you can see a duplicate of my reporting template has been created. Now let's take a look at a shortcut you can utilize to create a copy of a spreadsheet tab. With the tab highlighted that you want to copy, hold down the Control key on your keyboard and click the tab. As you drag your cursor over, you will see a document icon appear with an arrow above, displaying where the copy will be placed. If you release the mouse, you now have a copy of your tab in the desired location. Finally, let's explore how you can copy multiple tabs. For this example, we'll copy them to a brand new spreadsheet. You can highlight multiple tabs by holding down the Control key and then clicking. Now all three tabs are highlighted. Right-clicking, I'll select Move or Copy. In the To Book drop-down menu, Excel gives me the option to copy this to a second workbook that I already have open or a brand new workbook. For this example, I'll choose New Workbook. Select Create a Copy to keep my originals and then click OK. There we go. All of my tabs have been moved into a brand new workbook that I can now utilize. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content like this.